Hi, my name is Mariam Javed. Today I am here to tell you how we will make a homemade chocolate ice cream cake. Homemade ice cream chocolate cakes are very crispy, they are very yummy and very healthy as compared to shops or bakeries chocolate ice cream cakes. Try to make the homemade ice cream chocolate cakes in your homes because they are very healthy first of all. The ice cream chocolate cake recipe is a very simple and easy recipe. I will tell you the recipe. If you will follow this recipe, you can easily make the ice cream chocolate cakes in your homes. So first of all, you will take the two pans. Now you will spray both the pans with oil. Now you will take the chocolate cake butter, bake the both cake butters at 350 degrees Celsius for maximum 20 minutes. Now you will take chocolate ice cream cake. On the other hand, your baking chocolate cake butter will be ready for 20 minutes. Now you will take the one chocolate cake butter and put the chocolate ice cream on it. Now you will take the other cake butter on it. Now freeze both the cakes for maximum 2 hours. Now you will take the chocolate chips, hot ice cream, as well you will also take the dark chocolates or chocolate chips, or you can also take the chocolate biscuits as well. Mix both the ingredients. Your paste is ready. Now you will put this paste on your cake which is freezed. Now you can also put some nuts, some dry fruits like almond, dates, or many other things what you like to eat. And you can also sprinkle some chocolate chips, some dark chocolates on the baking cake or the cold cake which is ready. Now your homemade chocolate ice cream cake is ready. You can easily make this chocolate cakes in your homes if you will follow this recipe. Try to make these type of cakes in your homes. Also, if you will make these type of cakes in your homes, you can entertain yourself. You can also entertain your family as well as your friends. You can also sell these type of cakes in the markets. You can also deliver these type of chocolate cakes, ice cream cakes makes in your homes to deliver on the other homes or the other plazas or hotels, which is what you want. So you can also purchase the money, and you can learn so many things from all these homemade cookies or cooking. I hope you can understand this chocolate ice cream cake recipe. Follow it. You can do it very well in your homes. Best of luck. In your homes. Thank you so much, and remember me in your prayers. See you again.